Hello Junior 3, hope you are fine. Today we are going to talk about family of thousands. I will tell you a very amazing story. There once was a family that moved onto a street called the Blaze Valley Street. The family had three children, their names were 1, 10, and 100. The family loved living on Blaze Valley Street. The children played outside all of the time. One day a new family moved onto Blaze Valley Street. They had three children also. Their names were 1, 10, and 100. The children loved playing together. One day, when the children were playing outside, the mom of the first family wanted her children to come in for dinner. She called out, 1, 10, 100, it's time to come in for dinner. The children didn't know which set of the children needed to come in because their names were the same. The parents decided to put a fence between the houses. They also gave themselves a last name. The first family on the Blaze Valley Street called themselves the Want family. And the second family called themselves the Thousand family. They solved all of their problems. When the gate was up, the families knew that they had to call out the last name of the children they wanted. If the gate was up and Thousand Mom only wanted her children named 10, she would have to call out 10,000. Okay, now let's use this story and add some numbers. How would you read this number? At first, start by reading the number in the house farthest to the left. When you get a comma, say the last name of the family. For example, you would say 249,315. Next, read the number in the next house. Since there is no comma after the one's house, there is no need for a last name. How would you read this number? Start by reading the number in the house farthest to the left. When you get to a comma, say the last name of the family. So we would say this number as 62,114. Remember, there is no comma after one's house, so we don't say that name. How to read and write large numbers. At first, let's know how to read large numbers. Firstly, put a comma after 3 digits. Start reading from left. When we get to comma, say the last name of the family. So this number read as 7,581. Put a comma after 3 digits. Start reading from left. When we get a comma, say the last name of the family. So this number read as 39,425. Put a comma after 3 digits. Start reading from left. When we get to comma, say the last name of the family. So this number read as 123,817. Then how to write large numbers? 9,461. Firstly, we put 9 and 1,000 turns to a comma, 461. 12,902. We write 12 at first, 1,000 turns to a comma, and 902. 437,586. We put 437, turns 1,000 to a comma, 586. Write in digits, standard form. Letter A, 5,239. At first we put 5, 1,000 turns to a comma, and 239. Letter B, 42,507. We put 42 and turn 1,000 to a comma, 507. 928,226. We put 928, 1,000 turns to a comma, 226. 700,007. We put 700, 1,000 turns to a comma. We put 007 because we don't have any hundreds or tens. Letter E, 61,440. We put 61, 1,000 turns to a comma, 440. Then write in word form. Letter A. At first we put a comma after 3 digits, like this. Then start reading from left. When we get to the comma, say the last name of the family. It will be 2,468. Letter B. We put a comma after 3 digits, start reading from left. When we get to the comma, say the last name of the family. It will be 30,208. Letter C. Put a comma after 3 digits. Start reading from left. When we get to the comma, say the last name of the family. It will be 538,210. Letter D. Put a comma after 3 digits. Start reading from left. When we get to the comma, say the last name of the family. It will be 318,064. Letter E. Put a comma after 3 digits. Start reading from left. When we get to the comma, say the last name of the family. It will be 87,009. Now, let's remember the difference between value and place value. Place value is the place which the digits stay in the number. But value is the actual value of the digit in the number, as the number with how many zeros. For example, write the place value and the value for each digit in the following number. At first, we put up the place value for each digit in the number. 5 is ones, 2 is tens, 4 is 100, 9,000, 3 10,000, 7 100,000. The place value of 7 is 7 stays in 100,000 place, so its place value is 100,000 and its value is 700,000. The place value of 3 is 3 stays in 10,000 place, so its place value is 10,000 and its value is 30,000. The place value of 9 is 9 stays in 1,000 place, so its place value is 1,000 and its value is 9,000. The place value of 4 is 4 stays in hundreds place, so its place value is 100 and its value is 400. The place value of 2 stays in tens place, so its place value is tenth and its value is 20. Lastly, the place value 5 stays in ones place, so its place value is ones and its value is 5. Another example, complete the table. At first, we put up the place value for each digit in the number. 1 is ones, 8 is tens, 5 is 100, 7 is 1,000, 0 is 10,000, 4 is 100,000. At first, we put the number in the table. 1, 8, 5, 7, 0, 4. Let's start. Number 1 stays in ones place, so its place value is ones and its value is 1. 8 stays in tens place, so its place value is tens and the value 80. 5 stays in hundreds place, so its place value is 100 and its value it will be 500. 7 stays in thousand place, so its place value is 1,000 and its value it will be 7,000. 0 stays in 10,000 place, so its place value is 10,000 and the value of 0 in any place equals 0. 4 stays in 100,000 place, so its place value is 100,000 and its value is 400,000. For example, choose the correct answer. Letter A, the value 3 in 359,216 is. 3 in this number stays in 100,000 place, so its value it will be 300,000, so the answer it will be 300,000. The place value 7 in 135,708. 7 stays here in hundreds place, so its place value it will be hundreds. Letter C. Which digit in 10,000 place in 201,357? 0 stays in 10,000 place, so the answer it will be 0. Letter D. The value of the underlying digit in 567,437. 7 here stays in thousand place, so its value it will be 7,000. Letter E. The place value of the underlying digit in 4,358. Digit 5 here stays in tens place, so its place value it will be tens. Complete. The number which its ones is 1, its tens is 3, its thousand is 9, its hundred is 0, its 10,000 is 2, its 100,000 is 5. At first, we list the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. This number its ones is 1, so we put 1 in ones place. Its tens is 3, so we put 3 in tens place. Its thousand is 9, and its hundred is 0, so we put 0 in hundreds place, and we put 9 in thousand place. Its 10,000 is 2, so we put 2 in 10,000 place. Its 100,000 is 5, so we put 5 in 100,000 place. Finally, the number will be 529,031. If I have a number like this, 27,591, and I want to write this number in expanded form, let's remember the expanded form. The expanded form, we break up the number like this. 27,591 equals 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 1. Complete. The first one, 41,502 equals 40,000 plus 10,000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 2. The second one, 7,931 equals 7,000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 1. The third one, 817,593. It will be 800,000, 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 3. Complete. Letter A, 3,009. He wants to write this number in expanded form. I will break up the number like 3,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9. Letter B, 40,029. It will be 40,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 20 plus 9. Letter C, 180,943. It will be 100,000 plus 80,000 plus 0 plus 900 plus 40 plus 3. Letter D, he gives me the expanded form and he wants me to collect the number. 2,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 8. The number will be 2,468. Letter E, 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 0. The number will be 67,320. Letter F, 900,000 plus 40,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 7. The number it will be 941,237. Let's remember 10,000 equals, I can replace 1,000 word with 3 zeros, tens, and put 3 zeros. It will be 10,000. 100, I can replace 100 word with 2 zeros. It will be 100 and put 2 zeros. This number read as 10,000. 1,000 tens, I can replace 10 word with 1 zero. It will be 1,000 and put 1 zero. This number read as 10,000. 100,000 equals, I can put 100 and replace 1,000 word with 3 zeros. This number will be 100,000. 1,100 equals 1,000 and I can replace 100 word with 2 zeros. It will be 1,000 and put 2 zeros. This number read as 100,000. 10,000 tens, I can replace tens word with 1 zero. It will be 10,000 and put 1 zero. This number read as 100,000. Form the smallest and the greatest number using the given digits. 139,818. The smallest number, I can start with the smallest given digit, number 1, and repeated number 1 again, then 3, then 8, and repeated it again, and lastly number 9. The number is 113,889. The greatest number, I can start with 9, then 8, then repeated it again, number 3, number 1, and repeated 1 again. This number will be 988,311. If I have digits like 8, 7, 2, 9, 9, 0, and I want to form the smallest number from these digits, here I start with the smallest digits, but I can't start with 0 because it's meaningless. I start with 2 and put 0, then put 7, then 8, then 9, and repeated 9 again. So this number will be 207,899. The greatest number, I can start with 9, then 9 again, then 8, then 7, then 2, then 0. This number will be 998,720. If I have another example, 361,070, and I want to form the smallest number from these digits, I start from 0. No, I can't start from 0 because it's meaningless. I start from 1 and put 0 and put 0 again, then 3, then 6, then 7. This number will be 100,367. The greatest number here, I can start with 7, then 6, then 3, then 1, then 0, then repeated 0 again. This number read as 763,100. Compare by using greater than, less than, or equal. How can we compare large numbers? By using this symbol, less than, greater than, equal to. If I have 213 and 2130, the first one formed from 3 digits and second one formed from 4 digits. So 3 digits is less than 4 digits. So 213 less than 2130. If I have 8056 and 8073, How can I compare between these two numbers? At first, compare the thousand digits. 8 equals 8. Second, compare the hundred digits. 0 equals 0. Third, compare the tenth and ones digits. 56 less than 73. So, 8056 will be less than 8073. If I have 700 and 7000, at first 100 means adding two zeros to the right of the number. So 700 it will be 7000. Now I have 7000 and 7000. So the answer will be equal to. So 7000 is equal to 7000. If I have 4000 and 40 tenths. At first we represent 1000 as three zeros. So 4000 equals 4 and 3 zeros. 40 tenths, we represent tenths as 1 0. So 40 tenths it will be 40 and put 1 0 more. So for 1000 it will be 4000 and 40 tenths it will be 400. So the answer will be 4000 is greater than 400. Compare by using greater than, less than, or equal. Letter A. 3000 and 3000. At first I can replace 100 word with two zeros, so the number will be 3000. Now I have 3000 equal to 3000. Letter B. 5638 and 638. The first one 4 digits, the second one 3 digits. So the answer will be 5638 is greater than 638. Letter C. 418,279 and 418,273. How I can comparing between these two numbers? I started from left. 4 equal 4, 1 equal 1, 8 equal 8, 2 equal 2, 7 equal 7, 9 greater than 3. So the answer will be 418,279 is greater than 418,273. Letter D. 2020 and 2032. Let's write this number in digits. 2032. Start from left. 2 equal 2, 0 equal 0, 2 less than 3. So the answer will be 2020 is less than 2032. Letter E. 10 hundreds and 10,000. At first, I can replace 100 with two zeros. So the number will be 1000. And 10,000, it will be 10 and put three zeros. It will be 10,000. Now I have 4 digits and 5 digits. So the answer will be 1000 is less than 10,000. Let's remember, ascending order, we start from smallest to the biggest. And in descending order, we start from biggest to the smallest. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order, which means that starting from smallest number to biggest number. We have 610,384, 61,582, 4,218, 6,009. The first number formed from 6 digits, second one is 5 digits, third one is 4 digits, and last one is 4 digits also. Now we have two numbers formed from 4 digits number. We have to comparing between them to get the smallest one. This number starts with 4 and this number starts with 6. So the smallest number is 4,218. We will cancel it. And the next one 6,009 and we cancel it also. And the next one 61,582 because it formed from 5 digits and we cancel it. And the last one is the biggest one 610,384. and we cancel it. Arrange the following numbers in descending order, which means that we're starting from biggest number to the smallest number. We have 538,210, 3,511, 30,208, 35,119. The first number formed from 6 digits, the second one formed from 4 digits, the third is 5 digits, and the last one is 5 digits also. We have to start with the biggest number, which formed from 6 digits, 538,210. We cancel it. Now we have two numbers formed from 5 digits number. We have to comparing between them to get the biggest number. This number starts with 3 and this number starts with 3. This number has 0 and this number has 5. The biggest number will be 35,190 and cancel it. The next one will be 30,208 and cancel it. And the last one, it will be 3,511 and we cancel it. Okay, Junior 3. Now we have finished. Hope you understand. Bye bye.